In high school, I was a homeschool student. I actually was homeschooled for about second, third grade till high school. Coming to Belhaven was not a hard transition for me. I feel like it's a very similar dynamic. I have a ton of opportunity to talk to my professors if I have questions, or one-on-one conversations about things that I'm passionate about that we're learning. Right now I'm in anatomy and physiology. We're doing an extra outside project right now in neuroscience on motor neurons because that's something I'm interested in. I really feel loved and encouraged by my professors here. They want me to succeed. They actually pay intentional care to each student, and they give us a lot of opportunities that I don't think I would have had if I went to a public university. Last year, I got the opportunity to speak at Mississippi Academy of Sciences because of one of my professors. He really liked the work that I was doing on some research on the first law of thermodynamics, and so he told me I should present it to MAS and see if I get accepted, and I did, and so I got to go present at that conference. It's such a big community here. I feel truly loved and cared for here. It's like I have a big family at Belhaven. It's such a big community, and it's just a big, happy family. That's really what I would describe Belhaven as. It's like my little home away from home.